Soon next show. You will be in the show. You will be in the next show when we're walking down. 7 minutes, you remember?
Yeah. It's a shame.
It's a shame.
Yeah.
Be careful, it's gonna be icy soon.
Yeah, it's slippery. Hey guys, it's me again, Pretty Akhira, na hindi maganda pero nagmamaganda. And welcome back to my vlog. And to this video guys, we are here in Helsingborg. And kasama ko yung boyfriend ko guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi everyone. It's amazing to be here.
It's amazing to be here.
Yeah, of course, always.
Yeah.
I'm still young but I look old, right?
Oo nga, nandito kami sa Helsingborg guys. Part siya ng Sweden. Isa to sa gusto ko na lugar sa Sweden.
My camera is not working either.
Huh?
Is it like it feels like it's really like controlled by Apple. What should not be working or working? Like, why is not my camera working now either?
I don't know.
This is crazy. Yeah, it's not working. It's a black screen.
Lakad-lakad kami dito ngayon sa Helsingborg guys. Para pakita ko sa inyo yung Helsingborg.
Here in somewhere else, from somewhere else.
Yeah, I know.
You can mix it.
Alright, Merry Christmas Philippines and the whole world. Ayan, ang gandang-ganda ng design nila ng Christmas light. May paswan-swan pa sila. So, ayan, libutin pa natin yung buong Helsingborg guys. What do you call that, Roy?
They call this the core. Where we are at the core, and this is the tower of the core. This is the old history between Denmark and Sweden, I guess. And yeah, it's where the Swedes think of the history of the war between Denmark and Sweden.
You are my tourist guide. Nandito kami ngayon sa taas guys. Kung saan yung para siyang tower. Ayan, napakaganda. Maraming Christmas light din. Parang namimiss ko tuloy yung Pilipinas.
We have a studio over there.
And, ayan.
Hi. We have the studio over there.
Where's the studio?
The TV studio is over there.
There?
Yeah, you see it, the red thing over there.
Aha,
You
okay.
can go there. You have lots of lights there.
Okay. So, punta kami daw doon sa may studio. That's the tower. And doon sa baba, yan, marami siyang Christmas light. Halos makikita mo yung buong Helsingborg. Yan. Tsaka parang, it's too dark.
Yeah, it's too dark.
Ayan guys. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng lola mo. Ay, Diyos ko.
This is a retirement plan.
This is a retirement plan. Yeah. So, oo nga, nagpaplano kami nga dito titira guys kapag tumanda na kami. Kasi nga ito yun sa one of paborito naming lugar. Kasi malapit lang siya sa dagat, tsaka malapit lang din siya sa Denmark. Isang sakay mo lang ng
So
bangka.
over there. See the
And
lighting over on the other side.
ayun, pa Denmark na. So kaya nagustuhan namin itong lugar na ito. Kasi nga maganda.
So next show, you will be in the show. You will be in the next show when we're walking down. 7 minutes, you remember?
Yeah. It's a shame.
It's a shame.
Yeah.
Be careful, it can be icy soon.
Yeah, it's slippery. Are we going down now?
Yeah, we're going down.
Okay.
You want to take pictures?
No.
No.
We can walk there, Roy.
Where do you want to walk? You
There.
walk the street or
Yeah.
you want to go by the beach?
We can walk there, then go to the...
Yeah.
No? You don't want to walk there?
I'm not sure I don't think there's a lot of Christmas lighting, but it's the most rich district is down on the beach.
We
but
can check there.
we can go this first and then we can
Yeah.
walk back. If you enjoy, but we may not forget to eat and we may not forget to take the last train. That would be like 10 o'clock.
What time is it?
But we can sleep on hotel also. If we forget. Time, 10 o'clock I guess, last train. Corona time, 10 o'clock. But we will get to the where we were when we walk here also. We'll get to the pool.
So, ito yung walking street nila.
They sell your favorite bags in here, right? Olins?
I don't know. Did you check there? In
No,
Owens?
no. I didn't. I shop online.
Did you already shop? The Michael
I don't know.
Kors?
Do you like the red ones?
Where?
You want to be nice for Christmas?
What?
Red ones? Red ones?
So, nasa walking street kami guys, naglalakad.
Walking street in Corona time.
Corona time.
It's Corona street in Sweden. Flying tiger.
Yeah, there's no flying tiger anymore in...
No, closure
in
of Corona.
Helsingborg.
Bankruptcy of Corona.
Bankruptcy of Corona. So, where are we gonna eat?
So what you're interested of?
I don't know.
Because we have a nice Asian restaurant that way. That I maybe want to try.
Where?
That way. So we can go down here, stop the beach, stop the street walk, and go down there to the waters. And we need to walk back a little bit. And
Okay.
check the Asian, because there's two Asian restaurants. But that restaurant I was drinking beer, it's a Thai restaurant, and it's I think it's pretty cheap, but I was not planning to go there.
Okay. Let's see. How many days I stay in the house?
I don't know. I try to get you out of the house every day, but you say, "Oh, I love the house. It's beautiful."
Yeah, because I'm scared of Corona. That's why I choose to stay in the house.
Yeah, I know. I leave the house every day because I want to leave it.
Okay.
Because I need to work.
Yeah, I know. You must.
I love to work because that gives me energy to meet people every day. Here also give me energy.
So how far is the restaurant? How far is the restaurant?
It's just 5 minutes walk from here. two of the restaurants. One name is the Buddha. Buddha, I think that's in Chinese. And the other one is on the upper side street. It's a, I don't know if that's a Thai restaurant or just a regular Asian. But we are in one of the most populated restaurant cities in Sweden. Like they have a lot of restaurants here.
Okay.
It's like really famous to have a lot of restaurants.
Guys, nandito kami sa Chinatown. So, dito kami kakain. Ayan. So, tingnan natin doon sa loob guys kung ano yung mga pagkain na kung masarap pa. Nandito na rin kami sa loob ng Chinatown guys kung saan kami kakain ng dinner. At nandito na rin yung order namin. Nakapag-order na rin kami. So, medyo busy yung boyfriend ko.
Free rice. We have free rice here. Eat as much rice you want.
Okay. Natapos na rin kami kumain guys. And yan yung boyfriend ko. Nagbabayad na siya. Chika-chika muna siya. Iwan ko sa kanya. Bahala siya. Basta ako tapos na. Tsaka busog na ako. So, ang dami yung chika guys. Bahala siya sa buhay niya.
Try that kind of bike. I still have free money to if you want to try to go buy that bike. Just you want to try it?
No.
I can film you.
No.
Are you sure?
No.
I can. You can just grab it and I can film you.
No.
I have still free coin. I have free money to drive it. You want to try it?
No, I don't want.
Drive it for free.
No,
Free money?
it's not.
Are
I
you
don't want.
But it can be cool. Show Cebuana people, whatever.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want.
The possibility is to go here to swim also, if you want to swim. You have. Oh my God! You have here to go down in the beach and swim.
You want to swim?
Yeah, I see you want to. Did you bring your towel?
No, because it's really cold. My
No.
God.
It's here. You see here. You can walk down here and take a swim.
Gusto niya maligo sa dagat, guys. My God, napakalamig.
You want to make? You want me to take a Santa Claus picture of you in the? You can go here behind. Take a picture of the Santa Claus. You want to be in that picture?
This.
Yeah, but you also can stick your face in the Santa Claus. You know.
Yeah, we can take a picture.
Here in Helsingborg, you can always do your Santa Claus, your own, whichever you want. The small kids, or the one on diet, or the one who wants to be the big one. You can always like be the Santa Claus, because they're here for you, and you can put your face into those nice creatures. So what would Akira want to be? She wants to be here. Is she there? She needs to stick her face there. Here we are. It's nicey. That's Santa Father. Santa Father.
A few inches later.
Nandito na kami sa loob ng train, guys. So, papauwi na kami.
Wow.
Pauwi na kami. So, we're going home soon.
Yeah, we are.
So, see you.
See you later. We are here now on our road. On the road to the future. Always.
A few moments later.
Dumating na rin kami sa Helsingborg station, guys. Train station. And, kailangan namin maglakad ng 20 minutes papuntang sa bahay. Kasi nga wala ng bus ngayong oras na ito. Hanggang 8 lang yata ang bus. So, kailangan namin maglakad. Nandito na rin kami sa bahay, sa wakas. Sa 20 minutes walk namin, nandito na kami sa bahay. And thank you for watching, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe with the notification bell so that updated kayo sa mga bagong video ko. Enjoy life, guys!